Good day, ma'am and sir. May introduce myself. My name is Jabel P. Llamas, 37 years old, at Barangay Hainasor, Hamindan, Capiz, Philippines. I'm graduate high school since 2005 to 2006. Before graduate, I'm working student and hotel restaurant and helper. After graduate, go to Manila for another work. My previous employer have 3 kids, which is 1-year-old boy, 8 years old boy, and 13 years old girl. House have 1,000 square meter. They have 6 family member. I am rest weekend. I am staying for free food and personal hygiene like toothbrush, toothpaste, bath soap. My work is gardening, gardening, cleaning house, car washing since 2007 to 2018 in Manila, Philippines. I do love cooking and Filipino food, but willing to learn new. I love pets. I do not have any tattoos in my body. God bless you, ma'am, and good day.